Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best CNC machines that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned CNC enthusiast, we've got something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the CNC Top Bios CNC 3018 Pro Wood Router Kit. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, coming in at just $109. Designed with beginners in mind, this compact CNC machine offers a working area of 300 by 180 by 45 millimeters, making it perfect for small DIY projects. It's lightweight thanks to its resin frame and comes equipped with a 120-watt spindle motor capable of 10,000 RPM. While it's not the most powerful machine out there, it can handle materials like plastic, wood, and even soft metals like aluminum with decent precision. The build quality is simple yet functional. The aluminum workbench adds some durability, but the resin frame feels a bit less robust compared to all metal alternatives. That being said, the upgraded GRBL 1.1F control board is a nice touch, offering features like an emergency stop button and limit switches for added safety and control. This is a great entry point for those new to CNC machining, but don't expect it to handle heavy-duty tasks. In terms of value, the CNC Top Bios 3018 Pro is unbeatable at this price point. It's ideal for hobbyists and students who want to learn the basics of CNC machining without breaking the bank. However, the lightweight frame and lower power make it less suitable for demanding or professional use cases. Pros include affordability and beginner-friendly features, while cons include limited power and a less durable frame. At number 4, we have the Genmitsu CNC 3018 Pro Router Kit. This upgraded version of the 3018 model is a step up from the CNC Top Bios, priced at $152. It features a raised base for added stability and an upgraded power adapter that supports a 20,000 RPM spindle straight out of the box. With a working area of 300 by 180 by 45 millimeters, this machine is suitable for engraving plastics, soft aluminum, wood, and more. The inclusion of an offline controller is a nice touch, allowing you to operate the machine without needing a computer. The Genmitsu 3018 Pro boasts improved build quality, with a more robust aluminum frame that enhances stability. The GRBL software running on Arduino is industry standard, ensuring reliability and broad community support. Additionally, Genmitsu offers optional upgrades like a Y-axis extension kit to expand the machine's capabilities, making it a versatile choice for hobbyists looking to grow their skills. In terms of value, the Genmitsu strikes a great balance between affordability and functionality. It's ideal for hobbyists who want a reliable, upgradable machine for light to medium-duty projects. However, while it's more stable than the CNC Top Bios, it still lacks the power and durability needed for heavy-duty or professional use. Pros include easy assembly, upgrade options, and great community support, while cons are its limited power and small working area. Coming in at number 3 is the Wolfpawn CNC Router Machine 4040 Pro, priced at $347.65. This machine offers a significant upgrade in working area, with a spacious 400 by 400 by 75 millimeter capacity, making it well-suited for larger projects. Its all-metal frame ensures excellent stability during operation, while the 500-watt spindle motor delivers impressive speed and precision for a variety of materials, including wood, metal, acrylic, and nylon. The design features steel wheels on the X and Y axes, coupled with a circular linear guide on the Z axis, ensuring smooth and accurate movement. The dust baffle is a thoughtful addition, helping to keep your workspace clean and debris-free. Pre-assembled components make setup a breeze, allowing you to get started in less than 20 minutes. The machine is compatible with GRBL 1.1F control software, making it versatile and user-friendly. The Wolfpawn 4040 Pro is ideal for intermediate users or professionals on a budget who need a reliable machine for medium to heavy-duty tasks. However, While it's a significant upgrade in size and power, it might not have the advanced features of higher-end models. Pros include its large working area, robust frame, and ease of assembly, while cons are its lack of advanced software features and slightly higher price tag. At number 2, we have the Luni 3018 Pro Max CNC machine, priced at $272.88. This model takes the 3018 series to the next level with its all-metal construction and powerful 500-watt spindle motor. The working area of 300 by 180 by 80 millimeters provides ample space for a wide range of projects, and the long Z-axis travel of 80 millimeters is a standout feature, allowing for greater versatility in material thickness. The build quality is exceptional, with reinforced aluminum profiles that ensure durability and stability. Safety features like limit switches and an emergency stop button provide peace of mind during operation. The 2-in-1 functionality, which allows you to switch between spindle and laser modes, adds to its versatility. The included GRBL offline controller and pre-installed software make it easy to get started, even for beginners. The Luni 3018 Pro Max is perfect for users who want the robust, reliable machine for medium-duty tasks. It's a great option for hobbyists and small business owners who need a versatile machine for cutting wood, acrylic, and even soft metals. Pros include its all-metal frame, powerful spindle, and excellent safety features, while cons are its smaller working area compared to the Wolfpon 4040 Pro. And finally, at number 1, we have the Aliexpress CNC router machine 4030 Evo Ultra 2. This premium CNC machine is priced at $974.25, and it's worth every penny for professionals and advanced users. With a powerful 800-watt trim router and a working area of 400 by 300 millimeters, this machine is capable of cutting through tough materials like metal, aluminum, and brass with ease. The dual steel linear guides and ball screws on all axes ensure unparalleled precision and rigidity. The build quality is outstanding, featuring an all-metal frame and advanced components like NEMA 23 stepper motors and GRBL ESP32 firmware. The machine is packed with features like Wi-Fi control, customizable macro buttons, and compatibility with a wide range of software, including Fusion 360 and Lightburn. Assembly is straightforward, thanks to pre-assembled components and detailed instructions. The Aliexpress 4030 Evo Ultra 2 is the ultimate choice for professionals who demand high performance and precision. It's ideal for large-scale projects, heavy-duty tasks, and advanced applications. While it comes at a premium price, the features and performance justify the investment. Pros include its precision, power, and advanced features, while cons are its higher cost and heavier weight. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.